So this is our morning after some awful storms last night. Water's just running. I wanted to show you my garden issue. See if maybe somebody has some ideas to help me fix this. I'm trying to make it here without, my shoes are wet. Let's look at how the water's just running down the hill. This is every time it rains, because you know we don't have just normal rains here. Yeah, it's just running like awful running. Okay, so my furrows did good for the most part, but my problem is this side over here is lower than this side, obviously, with the ground. And it's not going down to the center, which I need to make my furrows deeper. I know that. I can't believe that I have to do that. But it's all running this way. I don't know. I mean, I know I need to make my furrows deeper. And I definitely need to make them deeper on the left side compared to the right side. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Maybe this just isn't the best spot for a garden. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think in the comments.